Browse the internet with a VPN connection but don't want it to cut your speed. This is a VPN application for you, and make sure to watch the full video and stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
So guys, as you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. So as I said before, very simple, guys, nothing hard for you to not understand. So over here I have 3 dots, pretty much the sign in option, where I do recommend you to sign in, because if you're gonna get a premium subscription, you're gonna need to sign in anyways. But you have the raters option, and you have the contact. If you have any problem with the subscription, premium subscription, and all, you can contact me. And that's pretty much it for that there. And if I go in the premium section, as you can see here, no ads, you have a faster connection and more location. But as you can see, as for the prices, you have monthly subscription, which is 10 USD, and here subscription, which is 36 or 37 USD. So you can also get a free trial as well. Down here, just stop and try premium for free. And after the free trial is done, usually 7 or 3 to 7 days free trial, then you pretty much have to pay the monthly fee, whatever the case is. But you can always cancel if you don't like VPN. Can always cancel. So that's pretty much it for that there. So the server section now, you can go at the top here where it says select server, and as you can see, most of these servers are premium subscription servers. But the only server that you have available is the United States servers. So just tap on that and it will start connecting in no time. It will select a protocol for you. I recommend to just use the protocol that it select for you, but if you want to use a different protocol, which is UDP, you can go ahead. But I do recommend using the TCP because it's much better. But that's it. So once you're connected, you're good to browse the internet, and you're practically more safer when browsing the internet using this VPN. But with all that said, guys, if I missed anything in this tutorial, please comment below. Feel free to ask me any question. And with all that said, guys, make sure to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.